Angelica at C&O Marine hooked me up with a new panel. Alright, she got the exact same panel, so nice and shiny, exactly the same. That is awesome. And so then also I got these at C&O Marine because I think they had them on the wall for a while. But there is a new battery switch, which is this guy. And I want to do that so that when I bring it in at night, I can turn it off and there won't be any kind of nothing will trickle charge anywhere. Or trickle charge down the battery like if we had a systolic draw. So, and then I also got this guy, and that'll be for my trolling motor batteries. Got some screws, so there's that battery switch. So I went to Home Depot and bought the screws for those so I can mount it on my plate. And that's got plastic on the back, and the other one is so you won't touch any kind of metal. I guess lastly, I got just off of eBay, this is a fuse block. Got that online. Really, it's a fuse block, but I'm going to put some bigger fuses in it so that it really acts like a bus bar. I guess I could have put a bus bar, but this will be fine. And this, I guess, is double protected. But then you've got, you know, with the kit, it's got some little lettering, you know. Just have to, you can label your fuses if you need to. I will probably send power from that fuse box to a couple of things that, because this is a power switch, and then this would be your, this right here is your aerate and your and then this is your bilge pump. This would be your air, you know, your like your fill, and then your aerate. I also bought a timer, bought an aerator timer. Okay, I need to wire that up. My other one was bad, and it's still wired up. I guess the next step is I'm going to go ahead and swap this panel out, because then this could just go back in the boat, because we do have a multi-pin, and I may even, like where the hot line is, I may de-pin it, depending on how that looks in the bay. Because I need to check that wiring out. And then I'll have to run a couple other hot wires over to my switches, possibly to my couple new switches. We'll see how that goes. But I want it to go from that fuse box to here. There's a couple of wire repairs. Okay, so I also got a bunch of connectors from O'Reilly. These are all 10. They're waterproof. You can use these. Some more different sizes. I just went ahead and got, I go through these anyway, so I just got a bunch. And I have, now these are battery lugs, but I don't recommend these, not for marine. You could buy tinned ones. You need to get the tinned ones. I'm gonna have to buy some cable to wire this all up. And so I kind of got to go through this process a little bit to figure out what I need so I can make the order. It's not a 1 week deal. It's not going to be just because I'm going to have to wait on parts. I also bought these. These are illuminated, you know, and they'll go right on the switch. That's pretty cool. And I got them for all the different ones, so I can know exactly what is what on the panel. So, you know, I'll replace those. I got a red one for the horn, which is right here. And I got a power one for there. And then I got a navigation lights one for here. An aerate fill for my live well here. And then for here is the bilge pump. You know, so again, I got a new switch for here. So that'll say power. And then for here is navigation lights or ancillary power. And then I have a horn here. I have a red one that'll go here. I got another one that's for my fill. And then this will be aerate. And then for this is bilge pump.